In the heart of the Northeast Georgia mountains,
There's a place where we're more than a number.
Education is personal. Faculty and staff know your name and they invest in your future.
It is easy to find your place here. Blogging isn't just something you say, it's built into everything we do.
YHC is preparing me for more than a career.
Rooted here, ready for anywhere.
Young Harris College, where you pursue your passion.
Young Harris is in a part of Georgia that a lot of even Georgians don't know exists. It's the mountains of Georgia. And the very top of Georgia is really deep in Appalachia. And Appalachia has a long history of small towns, small communities, close-in ties to family and friends. I want to make certain that our students have a deep sense of confidence, a deep sense of empowerment, that they can be leaders, that they can be listened to, that they can be heard. They are not merely passive actors in the world, but can actually take a place of leadership and find a voice. The dramatic changes that are coming in technology, that are coming in the way we organize the workforce and workforce development, all of those things are going to require that students have the ability, once they graduate from college, to be adaptive in their thinking. But in addition, we're giving our students high-impact practices, helping them with internships, with study abroad, to really have a sense that the world is not a threatening and menacing place, but it's a place where they're very much at home in the world. Young Harris is relying on its traditional liberal arts education to help students to develop those habits of mind that make them creative, innovative communicators. But at the same time, we're making them familiar with all of the changes that are happening in the world around us. They don't have the sense that they're merely spectators of what is happening to them, but they're actually empowered agents in their own lives. I think Young Harris has the capacity to be the kind of place that we really do need in our contemporary world. I'm really excited about where Young Harris is going. We're preparing students for the workforce of tomorrow. We're giving them the intellectual curiosity they're going to need to survive in the world and to thrive in the world. And we're giving them the opportunity to fall in love with one of the richest biodiverse areas in the entire North American continent. They're all right here and all on a campus with 85% residential community. It's a tremendous coalition of variables that have come together to make Young Harris a truly unique higher education experience.